this video, we're going to talk about how you can transfer money from Facebook Pay or Meta Pay into Cash App. So in order to do this, you will need to have a cash card. So you can order a cash card by clicking on the second button here on Cash App, and you can just follow the prompts here to order a cash card. Now, a cash card is going to work the same way as a debit card. So if you have a Cash App card, the next step will be adding it as our payment method. So I'll show you how we can do this. All you have to do is click on your profile picture in the top right of Facebook, then select Settings and Privacy, click on Settings, and then choose See More in Account Center on the left hand side. Then we want to click on Meta Pay and choose Add Debit or Credit Card. Now, like I said, the cash card is going to count as a debit card. So if you put the information on Meta Pay, then you can use your cash card to receive payments from Facebook Pay or Meta Pay. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.